Hi everyone, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another Chloé for you today. So this is Chloé Roy. It's in a lovely neutral grey colour. So we've got some really nice smooth calf leather and then we have a nice pop of suede on the front as well. And I love Chloé because I love their hardware features. So really nice gold hardware. I think they do hardware really well. It always looks really pretty and it's a nice feature on the bag. So I like these little loops on either side. So I'll talk you through the features. We've got one top handle, so a leather top handle, which you could also use as a shoulder strap. And then we also have a longer strap as well, which is on about the middle setting at the minute, so you can make it a little bit longer or a little bit shorter. And then we have one large flat pocket along the front here, along the exterior. And then we've got a zip top closure with a really nice chunky leather zip pull. Inside we have a fabric lining. We've got those grey leather features on the inside as well, and so the same zip pull as the zip top closure. We've got a zipped pocket inside, so that's just there, and we've got a few Chloé tags in there which I'll show you in just a second. And then we have one flat pocket on the opposite side. So the condition of it is in a very nice condition. We've called it very good all around. This exterior only has a couple of very minor marks. So you can see there's just a little bit of a nick on the leather on the front just there. And then we've got a very slight mark just down here as well. Looks perhaps like a glue mark or something like that. But the rest of it is really nice. We have a very slight scratch just there, which is only really visible in certain lights. But again, other than that, it is in a perfect condition on the exterior. The hardware, again, we've called very good. There's a couple of areas where you'll see slight marking to it, so you can see just there. But it's a nice brushed gold tone, and most of it, again, is in a very nice condition. We just have a little bit of wear on that zip there. But other than that, is in a very nice condition. The interior, again, we've called very good. We just have a very slight bit of wear, a very slight scratch to this leather on the interior, which again is the kind of thing you'd only see in certain lights. You can see it's very faint just there, but the rest of it is super clean. There's no standout marks other than that one for me to show you. So that is why I called it very good all around. I'll show you what it comes with. So we have a Chloé product tag. That's got that info on the back. And then we have Chloé envelope. And inside there, we've got the Chloé authenticity card, as well as the Chloé care guide. And then finally, we've got the Chloé dust bag too. So if you love it, don't forget to have a look at it on our website. Quickest way to get to it on our website is to click the link in the description below. It should hopefully take you straight to this on armcandybagco.com. But if it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, just let us know. We'll get you on the request list for one. And then as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know. So that's your request list if you are interested in one of these. Don't forget to get on there. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10, I'm 5'4". You can have it with that longer strap just as a top handle, pop it on your arm, or it is long enough to just fit nicely on your shoulder as a nice under the arm shoulder bag as well. Or you can use this longer strap, which is a nice thick leather strap. Again, you can pop that on your shoulder like that, or it's a nice length across body as well. You can make it a little bit longer or a little bit shorter depending on how you like to wear your bag. So go to the link in the description below, have a look at this on our website, and don't forget while you're on our website, sign up to our newsletter and we'll send you through your welcome discount code to use on your first purchase. And also have a look at the How to Sell with Us page if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags. And don't forget while you're here, like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back very soon with some more gorgeous arm candy.